Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be showing you the option in HSS of engraving. What I'd like to do on this part is to work exactly on this element going around, on this curve going around the part, working on this surface. Now my tool path will be exactly in the middle of the tool, would be exactly on the curve itself. It should also be noted that working in engraving, the curve must be on the surface itself. It is not something that can be above the surface and just projected onto the surface, but it must be touching the surface itself. We'll start with our operation of HSS, and we'll use the option of engraving from our list. Now, the geometry that I will use for my surface will be the faces over here, this particular face going around here, and the curve that I will be using will be this curve over here going around the part. Note that the curve is touching the edge of that surface. Now, my tool that I will be using, since this is a 4mm radius on the part, I will be using an 8mm ball and mill, giving me a 4mm radius on the edge itself. My levels and tool path parameters, I'll leave it exactly the way it is. And in my link area, I'll choose to use the lead in and lead out, and I'll set both of them to be vertical tangent arcs. Now when I do save and calculate, and we'll take a look at our simulation, and we'll use the solid verify simulation for the part, you'll see that the tool, and I'll slow this down a little bit, the tool will go down around the part exactly on that edge, following that radius exactly the way I wanted to machine that radius, giving me for a nice smooth finish on that radius itself. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.